Welcome to the Bag Makers Society podcast, the ultimate podcast for bag making enthusiasts. If you've ever felt the excitement of turning raw materials into functional works of art, or experienced the thrill of carrying a bag you created with your own two hands, then this is definitely the place for you. My name's Deb, and just like you, I've been captivated by the world of bag making. The idea for a podcast started when I went on the hunt for a dedicated bag making podcast, only to find none. So I thought I would create a space where bag makers from all walks of life could come together and share their passion. So the Bag Makers Society podcast was born, and I couldn't be more thrilled to have you join me on this exciting journey. In this podcast, we'll delve into the fascinating universe of bag making, from discussing amazing pattern designers and their awe-inspiring creations to exploring the latest bag making techniques. But it's not just about the big names or the advanced techniques. We'll also cherish the beauty of simplicity and embrace bag making at all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro with a treasure trove of experience or a complete newcomer just dipping your toes into the craft, you're an essential part of this community. We'll have fun conversations and laugh together and probably share some cake, because we all know how much I love cake. However, the Bag Makers Society podcast isn't just about my journey or my ideas, it's about us. I'd love to chat with each one of you about your bag making experiences, your challenges, your proudest moments. Whether you're a designer, an enthusiast, or somewhere in between, I'd love to share your story with you. So grab your favourite cake, a hot cup of tea, and definitely some cake, and join me to discuss the joyous, if not sometimes frustrating hobby that we call bag making. Until next time, happy sewing.